Okay, Jacob, here is a very, very cold start of that 2013 Laramie Longhorn. Here's a quick little interior glimpse of it. Really nice. It's ice cold out here. As you see, that windshield is still frozen. So, first take, here we go. There you go. No check engine lights or anything like that at all. Heated seats, heated steering wheel, it looks like. It's got the rear sliding window. Laramie Longhorn leather seats. Seats are actually still in really good condition, it looks like. Dual climate control, all your navigation stuff and everything's through here. I'll go outside of the vehicle for you so you can see how it sounds. It's got the RAM boxes, backup sensors, tonneau cover. Pretty nice truck, man. Not bad at all. No check engine lights at all. It smells clean. No cigarette smell when I open up the door, so that's always a plus. Oh, I'll show you these awesome freaking headlights. Your new truck? Maybe. Let me hop back in here. Power deployable running boards. Check that out. There you go. Woo! It is cold. It's Tyler here at Jim Glover Dodge in Owasso, man. If you ever need anything, call, text me. My number is 918-938-1315. Again, it's Tyler at Jim Glover Dodge. Hope you stay warm, man.